You take notes all day, random bullets, half sentences, scattered thoughts. But when it's time to turn them into a proper progress report, it suddenly feels like real work. Your notes already have everything: tasks, updates, quick decisions. They're complete, just not in a format you can use. So you start fixing them, rewriting lines, organizing points, trying to make everything clear. And this is why it always takes longer than it should. Because you're not doing new work, you're fixing how your work is written. But here's what completely changes this. You're not creating a report, you're extracting one. Once you see that, the process shifts. You stop editing notes and start converting them. This is where the Notes to Report system comes in, the fastest way to turn messy notes into structured reports instantly. Here's how it works. First, take your notes exactly as they are: messy bullets, fragments, incomplete thoughts, and paste them without changing anything. Second, give one instruction. Convert this into a structured progress report with progress, blockers, and next steps. Third, get a clean, readable report in a consistent format instantly. No rewriting, no organizing, no effort. Let me show you a quick example. Raw input: homepage draft done, login bug fixed, design sync for layout, API issue pending, need follow-up. Converted output: progress, completed homepage draft, resolved login bug, aligned with design on layout. Blockers: pending API issue. Next steps: follow up on API resolution and continue implementation. Same notes, completely transformed. This is the shift most people miss. You don't need better notes, you need a better way to convert them. What used to take 20 to 30 minutes now takes under 1 minute. Stop cleaning your notes. Start converting them into reports. If you ever wanted to work smarter, like, subscribe and check the description for more.